Here are the Queen's Royal puppies. They are now 9 weeks old. Today they learned how to eat as much as they possibly can and still have food in their dishes. So they're learning that they don't have to empty the bowl as soon as it's filled, because it will always be full for them. We have 2 males that are still available and 2 females that are already reserved. Here they are. The slightly bigger ones are the males. And there's their mom, the Queen. And here's their dad, the Red King.